Red Partner AI is a brand new software just released that's getting a lot of attention right now. If you're considering whether this is the AI tool for you, you're in the right place because I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about Read Partner AI. First off, Read Partner AI is an incredibly powerful platform designed to streamline your digital marketing efforts. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a marketer, or even a business owner, this tool can be a game changer for scaling your operations. It's not just about automation, it's about taking your business intelligence to a whole new level, which is why it's so important to stay with me until the end of this review to understand exactly how it can elevate your workflow. Before we get into the specifics, I want to mention that you can try Read Partner AI completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. I'll also share my personal take on whether it's worth it after this deep dive. So, let's get started. The first thing you should know about Read Partner AI is its intuitive interface. Unlike many AI tools that can overwhelm you with complex dashboards, Read Partner AI is designed to be user-friendly. It's incredibly simple to get started, even for those with minimal technical knowledge. It's one of those tools where you don't need a steep learning curve to see results quickly. Next, let's talk about the AI's versatility. This isn't just one-size-fits-all software. Read Partner AI is highly customizable, making it suitable for a variety of industries and business needs. Whether you're using it for content creation, lead generation, or even customer relationship management, it has a wide range of applications. The flexibility means you can really tailor it to match your specific goals. Now, what about its AI capabilities? Read Partner AI uses cutting-edge machine learning algorithms that adapt over time, allowing the software to get smarter with each use. It learns from your interactions and fine-tunes its recommendations, making it incredibly efficient in streamlining workflows. Whether it's generating content or optimizing ad copy, the AI adapts to make your processes faster and more effective. Another feature I think you'll love is its seamless integrations. Read Partner AI isn't a standalone tool that works in isolation. It integrates smoothly with other platforms you're likely already using, such as Google Analytics, CRMs, email marketing platforms, and social media tools. This integration helps save you time by centralizing all your marketing efforts into one easy-to-manage hub. But what about results? Well, after using Read Partner AI, you'll notice a substantial increase in productivity. The software's automation tools work behind the scenes, handling repetitive tasks like data collection, customer outreach, and even responding to basic queries. This means you can focus on higher value tasks like strategy, while the AI takes care of the groundwork. One thing that sets Read Partner AI apart from other tools is its customer support. Unlike many other AI solutions that leave you hanging when you run into trouble, Read Partner AI offers excellent customer service. The support team is responsive and knowledgeable, ensuring that if you run into any issues, they're quick to resolve them. Finally, let's touch on pricing. While there are some premium AI tools out there that can cost an arm and a leg, Read Partner AI offers a pricing structure that's accessible without sacrificing performance. Considering the level of customization and the value it brings, it's one of the most affordable options for businesses looking to incorporate AI into their digital marketing strategy. So, now that you know the 7 crucial things about Read Partner AI, what's my take on it? I've tried thousands of AI software tools, and I can confidently say that Read Partner AI is one of the top contenders when it comes to efficiency, versatility, and value. If you're looking for an AI software to streamline your business and take it to the next level, this is definitely one you should consider. Don't forget, you can try Read Partner AI completely free from the first link below. I've also included my recommended AI tools in the description, which I've personally tested and vetted over time. If you've been searching for the best software to help boost your digital marketing efforts, these are my top picks after trying so many different platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.